Hi everyone, this is Dr. Fryer. Today is August the 17th, 2023, and I'd like to show you how to share your Scratch channel link in Canvas. So when you're here in Scratch and you're signed in the upper right corner of the screen, you're going to see your username, and then there's a link there right below that says Profile. And so you want to go ahead and click on that. That link is what you actually want to turn in, and it's going to be scratch.mit.edu/users/ your username. Okay, you're going to copy that either by on a Mac pressing Command C. You can go up to edit and choose copy. You can use the right mouse button. You have the 2-button mouse, or you can 2-finger tap and choose copy. Any of those ways will let you copy. And then here in Canvas, you can go a couple ways to modules, or you can go to assignments. And our assignment, share your Scratch profile link, you're going to click start assignment. And then down here it says website URL, and that's where you're going to paste, either by right-clicking or pasting, Command V or Control V on a Windows computer. And once you've pasted that in, you click submit assignment, and you're done. That's it. Okay, so good luck, and I look forward to seeing your Scratch projects that you're going to create this semester.